Hi, one of my favorite things, using something that you think is garbage and using it to create nutrients and also to keep weeds away from your garden. So I have some rhubarb leaves that, of course, I took the rhubarb stems out, and now I have these leaves, and of course we can't use them. So what do? I'll tell you what we do. We put them in the garden because they are going to give nutrients, and also they're going to keep the garden, keep the weeds under control. So I will show you how. So I have this beautiful hosta bed. It just looks so awesome. I'm so happy with it. Hostas are absolutely beautiful. They always look good. But I can use these rhubarb leaves as a nutrient for the hostas, and I can also use them to keep the weeds down. So that's what we're going to do today. So look at these leaves not as garbage, but as something really beneficial for your garden. So I'm going to take these hostas, and the reason I'm doing it in this hosta garden is because you don't want to take leaves and just have them unsightly. You want them to be hidden, and these hostas are big and beautiful. So I'm going to take these rhubarb leaves and I'm going to hide them underneath the hostas so that you don't even see them. And what that's going to do is it's actually going to give beautiful nutrients to the hostas because they're going to decompose under there. And they're also going to keep the moisture in so that you don't have to water them as much. So just take your leaves, tuck them underneath a nice big plant. Now you've taken something that you think is garbage and actually used it. So one of my favorite things, using garbage, you don't have to even put it in the composter. Put it under the leaves of a nice big plant. You don't even see it. It's tucked underneath. And those rhubarb leaves are going to act as a barrier to protect the soil against losing its moisture too fast. And it's also going to have the rhubarb leaves break down and give nutrients to the soil. Right? Oh, Mother Nature is so smart. You have a good day.